Now we can switch dictation on and off by clicking on this icon, by double-clicking in a text field, or by using the key combination Windows key Shift X. Now let's get to demoing the auto-editing and auto-punctuation features. The first feature enables you to easily make changes to your text by just re-saying, which makes dictation much more intuitive and fun. First off, an example of using auto-editing to correct a mishearing and at the same time replace a word with its synonym, all without touching the mouse or keyboard. The forwarder needs to know the details of the import charges. The forwarder wants to know now an example of using auto-editing for rephrasing. Love is all we need. All you need is love. Next, an example of correcting a misspeaking in real time. I come to you from Hawaii. And now an example of auto-punctuation after auto-editing. The weather will be sunny and warm this weekend. The weather, I believe, will be. Notice the commas that were inserted around the phrase I believe. We can also use auto-editing to extend this sentence. Sunny and warm this weekend and we can go to the beach. We can also use auto-editing to easily modify punctuation. He is coming home tomorrow? Home question mark. Question mark. To switch to another language, just say, for example, to French. Parlez-vous français? En anglais. Now we're back to English. Speak can also automatically switch between your preferred languages, for example, based on who you're texting on messengers like WhatsApp or Telegram.